Hello all, good evening. Welcome to session number 2. Okay, we have only 180 days. In this 180 days, we need to be expert in JavaScript. Okay, just tell me how's the Josh today?
Hi, sir.
Hi,
Hi,
sir.
sir.
Hi, sir.
It's not in the sync. Okay, how's the Josh?
Hi,
Hi,
sir.
sir. Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Very good. How many of you joined with mobile? I hope everyone joined with a laptop, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. That is fantastic. So because we are going to write some code every day. Okay, so let's today we are going. Okay, yesterday we have installed a few things, and let's see why we have installed those. Okay, we have installed. The most important thing is Node.js. Node.js. We have installed Node.js. Another one is VS Code. It's just a
Yes.
code editor, nothing more than that. Okay, so just a code editor, nothing more than that. And we have created one file that is called app.js, and we have written simple code, and we have used terminal, right?
Yes, sir.
Terminal to see the output. Okay, first of all, we should understand what is this Node.js. Okay, what is this Node.js? So if you see, just tell me, suppose this is a computer. Okay, is computer can understand our language directly? Suppose if I talk in Telugu normally, okay, just tell me how computer understands our language. Suppose you are giving instructions in JavaScript, some people are giving instruction in C language or whatever the C++. Okay, do you have any idea how computer understanding the JavaScript? How computer is understanding C language? How computer is understanding C++? Do you have any idea?
Compiler, critical compiler.
Good, good.
Using
What's that?
using compiler, sir.
Very
Compiler.
good. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So, because computer can understand only zeros and ones, right? Or some
Yes, sir.
special symbols. So that is called a machine language. Okay? Computer can understand only machine language. But we are writing the code or giving some instructions in JavaScript, C++, Java. All these are high-level programming languages. Okay, high-level programming languages. So it's very close to English and plus mathematics, right? So not more than that actually. So all these programming languages are following rules and regulations or patterns or anything. Almost it will be very close, like almost it is English and maths. So if you are able to understand English, and if you know the fundamentals of the mathematics, then it's easy to learn like computer science. If easy to learn programming. Okay, so fine. So here we all know that computer can understand only a machine language. So right now we don't need to break our head what is machine level language and how it is work. Okay, we don't need to worry right now. Okay, so here, so far maybe you have learned C language or C++ in college days, and maybe you have learned Java. Okay, can anyone tell me, did you get a chance to learn C++, Java? Anyone by chance?
Yes, sir, I know Java.
Okay, Sujata, you know Java. Okay. To
Yes,
execute,
sir. Actually, my phone got switched off, so I have joined from my mother's phone.
no problem, no issues. What I'm asking, okay, if you want to execute Java, which software do you need to install on your computer?
Sir, actually, I used to run it on Eclipse, sir. Eclipse
Okay, Eclipse.
platform.
Eclipse is the code editor. It's like a Visual Studio Code. It's like a notepad.
JVM.
Yeah. So if you write the code in Java, who is going to convert your code into machine level language?
JVM.
Yes, fantastic. Okay. For C language and C++, anyone? Because I hope most of you studied graduation, right? Definitely in the first year. First year, hopefully you have a C language, right?
Yes, sir.
So, so just tell me which software you have installed to practice C language. You
Turbo
remember?
C.
Very good, very good. What is that?
Turbo
Turbo
C.
C.
Turbo C and Turbo C++, right? Yes, those are. So if you want to execute C language, you need to install Turbo C or C++. Okay, maybe. Even I forgot the things actually. Hopefully these are correct. Turbo C++. Okay, these are the things you need to. And if you want to execute Java, you need JVM.
JVM.
What is that? JVM means Java Virtual Machine, right? In the same way, if you write any code in JavaScript, to convert
Node.js.
this JavaScript into machine level language, we need a Node.js. Okay? A lot of things are there behind that. Okay, we are going to discuss those things in detail. Okay, what is Node.js inside? Event group is there. Event emitters are there. Threads are there. A lot of things are there. But as a beginner, you don't need to worry about too much about these things. Just why we have installed Node.js, because computer can't understand JavaScript directly, so we need to convert. So please go on mute. Please go on mute, everyone. If I ask a question at the time, just unmute and talk with me. Otherwise, just please go on mute, because I'm recording this session. It is going to be very useful for the students who will watch the recordings also. So if you see, this is, we are writing the code in JavaScript, and if computer wants to understand our logic, okay, we need a simple software that is called Node.js. So that Node.js is going to help us to convert this JavaScript into machine level language, and then it will execute the instructions on the computer. Okay, this is as simple as that. So here Node.js is not just like a compiler or something. A lot of things are there, but right now just remember Node.js. What is Node.js means? Okay, Node.js. So you should remember that Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. So maybe I'm poor in spellings. Don't try to find mistakes in my spellings. Okay, Node.js is just simple JavaScript runtime environment. So that if you want to execute JavaScript on computer, if you install the Node.js, it will help us to convert our high-level programming language into low-level programming language, and it will execute it. Okay, right now this is enough. This is enough. So as we grow, we are going to. I will explain what is there in Node.js, what is the architecture of this JavaScript runtime environment. Even without installing Node.js, also we can execute JavaScript in the browser. Okay, those things also we can learn in future. Okay, right now, so far we have installed the Node.js and Visual. What is Visual Studio Code? Okay, it's like a code editor. So even if you don't have a Visual Studio Code, you can open the JavaScript file in Notepad++ and you can edit it. Okay, so just remember what is VS Code? What is VS Code? It is just a
Code editor.
Editor.
code editor. Yeah. Okay, fine. So I hope you have a simple clarity on why we have installed Node.js. Okay. So now uh, I will ask one simple question. Because first of all, we should understand what is programming, because some of you are very good at programming already, because some of you already learned Java or C++, very good, but few students are very new to programming, okay, because they have completed degree and they join. So we can take at least 2 or 3 minutes to explain what is a programming. Okay, before that, I will ask you one question. So, what is your favorite food recipe which you can prepare? Or what is your favorite food? Like for me, egg curry. What about you? Just ping me quickly. You don't need to talk. You just ping me quickly in the chat. Okay, Pankaj also egg burji. Fantastic. Because I can eat egg burji daily also if they prepare properly. Okay. Shiv Prasad, chicken curry. Very good. Quick. We should not waste the time. Quick, quick, quick. Prawns curry. Mirchi. Mirchi means mirchi bhaji. Akshay, chicken samosa. Okay, fantastic. Okay, very good. Okay. Any other? I hope I got only. Okay, paneer. Paneer. Okay. Oh, biryani. Fantastic. Okay, mutton curry. Okay, very good. Very good. So if you Maggie. Okay, this is a very simple thing, right? It's a simple thing. So I will ask you one thing. So suppose how many of you studied in hostels and something? Suppose if you are, like most of the people who study engineering, they will come from their village to city, right? And most of the time they will try to prepare their food. Okay, most of the time. Right now, I think in this generation, boys knows like mm, they cook very well, and most of the girls are not interested to learn cooking. Okay. Anyway, okay, what ridge god curry? Okay, what is that ridge god curry? For sure, I don't know. Ridge god curry means ridge god means which vegetable is that? Ridge god means what we can call in Telugu. Sorry. Okay, okay, fine. So if you see, the programming is very very simple. Suppose okay, I'm just taking another screen. Suppose when I join engineering, okay, I me and my friends when taken some room for rent, and we need to prepare. Okay, we need to prepare the food. So at the time I don't know how to prepare the food actually. At the time I don't know how to prepare the food. I know how to prepare rice, but I don't know how to prepare um, egg burji. So at the time I called to my mother. See, I just called to my mother. I just called my mother. Okay, my mother has given some instructions. Okay, now tell me, anyone is ready to give the instructions how to prepare um, egg burji? Okay, rich girl and the birkaya. Oh my god, I'm very poor. Okay, very good. Okay, of course, birkaya is very good. Okay, I spent overall 17 years hostel life. Okay, even I from fourth class itself, completely my life in a hostel. Okay. Okay, anyone is ready to tell me, just explain how to prepare egg burji? Okay, if you are able to explain how to prepare egg burji, that means you know the programming. That's simple. Actually, programming is very very simple. Very very simple. Just tell me how you are going to prepare any subject. Either okay, LKG. Okay, fine. Who is ready? Quick. This is a great opportunity for you. Who is going to explain? You can explain in any language, your native language, Telugu, Hindi, English, Malayalam, anything. I will try to understand.
Sir, I can tell you.
Yeah, Pankaj, I think you
सर
know how to prepare egg bhuji very well. Yeah. Go
सर
on.
दो अगर एक का बनाना है तो एक अंडा ले लो या दो अंडे ले लो.
एक minute. What do you need to do? Do anda means eggs, right? We need to
Yeah,
take two
two
eggs.
eggs. Yes.
Then,
And then we have to take one onion or two onion according to your taste.
okay, okay, we can go for 2 onions.
Yeah.
Onions, then,
After that we can take one tomato,
oh, tomato. Okay,
some oil.
oil. Okay, fantastic. Then,
Yes. And namak, masala according to your taste.
Okay, all masalas, oil plus masalas, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, just tell me what is the process.
After that, pour the oil into the like उसमें डाल दो क्या बोलते जिस भी
Okay.
बॉल में डाल दो
This is the ball.
एंड जब गर्म हो जाए
Okay, what you're saying? Just okay. First, we need to add oil.
यस
Okay. Yeah, I'm just adding oil. This is the first instruction. Okay, he's giving instructions to me. I just added oil. Then
देन उसमें
onions. Onions, right?
अनियन डाल दो
I'm just adding onions. This is the second instruction. This is the second instruction. Okay, what is
देन
the third one? Masala?
टमाटो टमाटो या मसाला डाल दो दोनों में से कोई भी डाल दो
Chalega? Okay.
मिर्च भी है मिर्च भी डालनी है अभी वो
Okay,
अपने
mirch.
स्वाद है सर
Okay, वो भी cover कर दिया. Next, tomatoes or eggs?
मैं तो वैसे टमाटो डालता हूँ
Okay, just
एक्चुअल में लास्ट में डालता हूँ
okay. What your that's your wish. This is your program. Yeah, tell me. क्या डालते? Eggs?
एग्स डाल दो कोई बात नहीं
बाद में?
बाद में टमाटो डाल दो हाँ जी
Okay, fantastic. That's enough, right?
या दैट्स इनफ मिर्च अपने अकॉर्डिंग और धनिया ऊपर कैसे मर्जी
Okay, that masala. Okay, how much you want you add masala. So what Pankaj said, okay, instructions. Okay, he has given instruction to me because same thing. Almost my mother also told me the same thing. Okay.
Sir, we have to burn gas.
Okay. That's fine. Okay. we don't need to. Without that, it's not possible. Yeah. Just
we
burn.
we already own the gas bro that's why we are doing this thing
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay. So the instructions are he's clearly saying that. Okay. Raghu, just take how many onions? 2, right? How many eggs? 2. Okay. And then oil. How many teaspoons? Okay. Are you
so
there?
one or two
Okay.
two
Two teaspoons. Okay. 2 teaspoons. Okay. Because I'm just taking 2 onions. How many onions we are taking? 2 onions. How many eggs we are taking? 2 eggs. How much oil we are taking? Okay, right now I'm just putting the double quotation because I'm just writing clearly that take 2 spoons of that. And we are taking tomatoes also, right?
yes sir
How many?
one tomato
Okay, 1 tomato according to, okay. This is a number, that's why I'm just typing like that. Okay, let's write a simple program in JavaScript. Okay, so then it's easy. So just open this JavaScript file again. So if you know how to give an instruction to your friend how to prepare the egg burji, then that is enough to learn programming. Okay, that's the programming. The same way we are giving instruction to the computer to do some calculation. That's it. So here I'm just taking another file that is egg burji. So I'm writing egg burji.js. Egg burji.js. So here, if you want to prepare egg burji, we need to give an instruction to the computer like that. I'm just taking how many eggs we need? 2 eggs. Okay, how many onions we need? 2 onions. Okay, it's a very simple thing. How many tomatoes? So like Pankaj said, only 1. And oil. So I'm just putting 2 teaspoons. Okay, that's it. Okay, and you can add masalas. Okay, how much you want, you can add it. Okay, you can add some pepper, mirchi, salt, whatever it is. I'm just putting some extra, etc., etc. So, because if you want to prepare something, some simple egg burji, you should know what are the things you require. So, you know how many eggs you are required. You should know how many onions it required. You should know how many tomatoes are required. You should know how much oil it is required. You should know what are the masalas you want to add. Then, so just simple, where curry, 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 just add. Okay, right now we don't have a stove or all kind of things on a computer. I'm just putting everything. So just add eggs. Okay, plus okay, onions and tomatoes, then oil, and then masala.
Masala.
Sorry, sorry, sir, I didn't understand. Tell me. So we are giving instructions. Hey, computer, just take eggs, onions, and tomatoes, and oil and masala. Mix it. Okay, just make it hot for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then the curry is ready. So because the curry is, we are going to store the output, the result in the variable called curry. That's it. And then just serve the curry. Okay, right now don't think it will display all the details like 2 plus 2 plus 2, something like that. Okay, so this is the simple thing. This is the simple thing. If you know this simple thing, you know the programming. So if you see the node, and what is the file name? Egg. So okay, don't worry. It is just doing some calculation like 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Then it is concatenating. A lot of things are there. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. This is the egg curry. This is the egg burji. Okay. Now you know, right, how to write a simple program. So what is happening here? Okay, this is very, very important. Observe carefully. Okay, observe carefully what is happening. Okay, what is happening in a computer. So at your home, what you will do normally, so Pankaj said, just take 2 eggs, right? So just allocate some memory because you will take one ball, right? You will take one ball. You will take one ball and you will give a name. Okay, you just remember that we are adding eggs here. We are adding eggs here. How many eggs? 2 eggs. Okay, we are storing because computer is going to store like that. Okay, it is give a it will allocate some memory and it will store the value. So what you have given the value? 2. That's a number. So it has stored in that memory. And again, you said in the what is the next second instruction? You said where onions is equal to 2. So it's clearly you are saying that it will take another ball, like another memory allocation, another memory allocation. What is the name of that? That is that simply that is simply onions. That is okay. Right now, I'm not going to store everything. For example, I'm saying so here. I'm just putting some all the variables like masalas, onions, and everything. So another variable is masala or masalas. Okay. So here just add some information. Okay. You're storing some string. So teaspoons or whatever it is. So you can store. And in the end, what you're saying, in the end, what you're saying, in the end, what you're giving instruction to the computer. So if you want to prepare the curry, take the eggs from the bowl eggs, take the onions from that particular bowl, and take tomatoes from that particular bowl, take oil from that particular um, bottle or something, and take masalas from that masala dibbi or dabba, whatever it is, and just add it. So if here also computer is also doing the same thing. It will allocate the memory. How you will take a bowl and you will add 2 eggs, and how you will cut the onions and put into the separate bowl, and how masalas are already there in the different bowls. And if you want to prepare the curry, that is the end result. So this is the bowl. The bowl name is curry because we need some memory, right? We need some memory. So you're giving instructions. So initially nothing is there. Okay, in JavaScript, if you don't store anything, it will store undefined. We can come to that point later. First, just understand what is the fundamentals of the programming. Okay, so right now it's empty. Just think that it's empty. So on what you have given instruction to the curry, so that means you have given curry equal to eggs plus onions plus masalas. Okay, if you see.
Tomatoes.
Okay, fine. Right now in
Tomatoes.
this picture, I have taken only three values. Okay, so onions, eggs, and masala. So it is doing that instruction. It is executing that instruction. So it is going to add eggs, onions, masalas, tomatoes, whatever it is. It's prepared, and it will store the end result. It will store the end results. What is the end result for us actually? If you mix all the things, that is egg burji.
Curry.
Okay, just imagine that that is the egg burji we have prepared. So it will store that egg burji. It will store that egg burji into this bowl. That's it. And but after preparing egg burji, you need to serve for your parents or anyone, for your friends, right? That's it. That means if you want to print that, okay, if you do console.log curry means it is going to print. That means it is going to print the output. You are going to distribute that curry to other people. This is as simple as programming. Okay, in between you can add some if conditions, else conditions, lot of things. So if tomatoes are too small, add three tomatoes. If tomatoes are big, just add only one tomato. Based on that, we can write some if else conditions. And few other things are there, like for loop is there. Okay, for loop, suppose my mother said, Raghu, after adding onions, just rotate them for 5 to 6 times, right? That is called for loop. You are doing the same task for 5 times, 6 times, 10 times. So if you know all these things, that is programming. That is programming. So normally people say that okay, programming is very difficult. You should break your head. You should have a really good knowledge in mathematics. You should have really minimum 10,000 less rank in MSET or something. No. So if you know how to prepare egg burji, and if you are able to give an instruction to your friend or anyone in a proper way, that is called programming. So in the same way, we need to give an instruction to the computer that to do a simple tasks initially. So now tell me, understood everyone? What is programming?
Set of instructions.
Yeah, it's as simple as preparing the egg burji. Okay, if you are able to give instruction to your friend how to prepare egg burji, it's like simple. Okay, right now, okay, so far I just explained a different example. Now we can come back and write really important things in programming. Okay, are you ready?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Sir,
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, don't in interviews don't tell that okay, what is programming means. It's just like preparing egg burji. Maybe they don't accept it. Okay, this is just for understanding purpose as a beginner. Okay, I'm just deleting that. Now we are going to write a real good programming. So I want to do a simple calculation. I want to do a simple calculation. Okay, I'm writing some code like marks.js, MERKS, marks. So just suppose let's go with 10th class marks. Okay, 10th class marks. So just ping me how much. What is your percentage in 10th class? Quick,
86, sir.
ping me, ping me in the chat. Ping me in the chat. So otherwise, just give me the percentage in BTech. BTech. Just give me BTech. 10th class, I think everyone got 80 or 90. Let's go with the BTech. Shivaprasad 63 in BTech, 5.8 Vijay, 69, 87.0, 87, 63, 95 Saicharan in BTech or graduation. 93 in degree. Fantastic. 8.8 Akshay. Raghu 60. Very good. Okay, 10th class. Okay, 10th class. That's good. What about in graduation? Okay, just guess what is my percentage in graduation. Just guess what is my percentage in graduation. Cannot tell me. Just expect or guess. Okay, you're giving my percentage, Swati and Ankya. You're saying 48 to me or yours? Okay, 85, no, wrong answer. 75, no, wrong answer. 65, no, wrong answer. You are very close. 95, absolutely wrong. 58, somewhat close. 69, somewhat close. Okay, fine. My percentage is in on graduation 60.32 exactly. I just crossed the border. Okay, I didn't learn anything in BTech. Completely, I played cricket. Completely means completely. Full happy. Even if I look back about my graduation, what I have done means, okay, I didn't learn anything, but I enjoyed playing cricket. That is enough for my whole life. Okay, but don't do the same mistakes. Okay, because the biggest mistake is I didn't learn programming in BTech. That was a mistake. So let's see. Okay, we can calculate the percentage. Okay, let's go with the 10th class, because normally in 10th class we will get really good percentages. When it comes to the graduation, that will be completely different. So I'm storing my marks details. Okay, hardly I'll remember properly. Let's see. So where, okay, in Hyderabad, okay, in Telugu states we have the subjects like this. I'm just writing some program where Telugu. Okay, I got, I think I got 93 in Telugu, and then Hindi. Hindi is our second language. I got 57 or 53. That's really a turning point in my life. Okay, English I got 86, and where mathematics, luckily I got 99. SCIENCE, science I got 97. Where social, we have another subject that is, hopefully I got 91. Okay, now, okay, I'm storing like, okay, I'm storing the details like my Telugu marks details, Hindi marks details, English marks details, and mathematics details, and science and social. So what will happen? What computer do here? So it will allocate. Okay, I'm just taking the new screen, new paint. Okay, so it will store Telugu here. It will store. So it will allocate the 6 memory blocks in the memory. So whether it will store in a stack or heap or something, we can come to that point later. Just imagine that it is just storing your mass details in 6 different places, and it is giving the name, like I'm just giving a shortcut like here Telugu, like Hindi, and English, and this is for mathematics, and this is for science, and this is for a social. Okay, so it will store the details. It will allocate the memory, and it will store your original marks details in the memory. So like 93 or whatever it is. Okay, just fill the details. Okay, this is what it will do. The computer, what do, once you execute this one, computer understand that, okay, I want to store this information in the memory. Yes. Okay, and sir, why don't we use constant in place of var? Okay, because this is the only second session, right? That's why I'm not going to introduce constants or lets or something. Okay, we can come to that point later. Okay, first we should understand the basics, then we can come to all the topics in the JavaScript. So var Telugu is 93. Okay, now tell me, suppose if I want to calculate total, okay, what I need to do? We need to give an instruction to the computer that, so if you say that please calculate my total, it can't do. You need to give a proper mathematical instruction. Okay. Okay. Just ping me in the comment sections in, okay, how to calculate the total. So if you have a 6 subject details, and you can use the shortcuts like T, H, English kind of thing. Just ping me in the comment sections how to calculate the total marks of your 10th class or anything. Yeah, we have to store all the data in one variable, but how? Just give me a proper mathematical instruction. So how you will give a instruction to the computer? Yeah, that's what I need. Okay, Shobhrata said var total is equal to THEMAC, and yes, that's a fantastic. That's fantastic. That means you know the programming. Okay, basic programming. Okay, everyone understood? Because we know, right, in mathematics also, while studying sixth class or seventh class or fourth class, we used to write like total is equal to, suppose if you store some variable like a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, like that. We know all these fundamentals. It's simple. It's simple and the same. So to store the result also, we need another variable, right? So where total equal to, so Telugu. Then what will happen? This is the variable name. This is the variable name. This is the value. This is the value. And we are giving a var. Okay. So in C language, we used to write int, float, character. A lot of things are there. Okay. In JavaScript, just stick with that. I will explain what is a string, what is a number, what is the difference between Boolean and different type of data types are there in JavaScript as well. So we can come to that point later. Just right now, just stick with the simple basics. Just store the variables with the name like var. This is the variable name, this is the value. So now Telugu, then Hindi plus English plus maths, and then science and social. That's it. So then what will happen? Computer understand that. Okay, what computer will understand? Okay, this Raghu is saying that we just take my Telugu marks, Hindi marks, and English marks, and mathematics, science, and social just to do addition. Okay, plus means addition. So it will calculate and it will store the result in another variable. Okay, that's how we have prepared the egg burji and we have stored everything into one separate ball. That's it. That's simple, right? That's simple. So now if you see, so and you need to print. Okay, you need to get the result to print the output. Okay, that's console.log, and that is a total. Then what will happen? What will happen here? Okay, let me draw one simple diagram here one more time. So here we have a file that is called okay, marks.js, and we are giving this file to node.js. So we are asking node.js, hey node.js, could you please execute the instructions which I have written in this file. So then what node.js will do, it will execute. Okay, it will allocate the memory and it will do, and it will print the output in the terminal. Okay, just imagine this is the terminal. That means output terminal where we will see the result. So if you hand over this marks.js file, okay, it will do a lot of things. So as simple as we discussed, this node.js will take care of that. It will create memory allocation in the memory in the computer, and it will allocate another memory for total, and it will calculate everything, and it will store the result in this, and it will print. Okay, whenever you say console.log means, okay, you are giving instruction that, okay, please read the value which is there in this memory and print on the terminal. That's it. So this node.js is just doing that job. So internally it is converting this your JavaScript instructions into machine level language instructions, and then it is going to execute on the computer, and then computer will allocate the memory, and it will do all the things. Okay, this is, but we don't need to think too much about that right now. So just simple, just hand over your JavaScript file to the node.js, and node.js is going to execute each and every line in a sequential order. So first it will execute this line, then it will come to this line, then it will come to this line. Okay, like that it is going to execute in a sequential way. Okay, so we got the result. So let's see. So here what I'm doing here, just do node, and either you can give a marks.js or without JS also, it will understand, because Node.js we are using to execute a JavaScript, right? So even if you don't mention java.js, by default it will read that is a JavaScript file. So this is correct. Okay, node marks.js is correct, and even without that, even if you give a node marks, that means it will read this file and it will execute and it will give the results. Let's see what is the output. 523. Actually, I got 519 only. Somewhere I just added a few extra marks. So I think these four are proper. Okay, I think I got 53 in Hindi. Yeah, that's fine. So now again I'm doing. Let's execute this one more time. So my 10th class marks are 519. Observe carefully. So I got very good marks in other subjects. Unfortunately or fortunately, whatever it is, I got only 53 marks in Hindi. Okay, so now it's simple, right? How to create a simple program. So now I will give a different task. Don't think that I will give a same task. Are you ready or are you sleeping?
It's ready.
Ready.
Ready, sir.
Ready,
Ready.
sir.
Ready. Okay,
Yes,
before
sir.
that, I will ask one more question. Okay, just ping me, suppose, what is your favorite sweet? Ping me quickly. What is your favorite sweet? Rasagulla, okay. Cheese, okay. Okay, when now? What? Okay. Junnu, cheese mean. What we can call cheese means? Sometimes I lose my knowledge. Gulgul jam, kalakand, kova, laddu, junnu. Yes, junnu, right? Yeah, kalakand, bread halwa. Oh, fantastic. Okay, very good. Motichur laddu. Okay, very good. Like fantastic. Hey, Pankaj, in Punjab, what is a special sweet, Pankaj? Apart from regular, what is a special sweet for Punjab especially?
So these are the whatever other person are saying. These are the common in Punjab. But if I talk about special, the burfi is the more common. Burfi,
Okay,
burfi is a common like and motichur laddu,
okay,
rasgulla, gulab jamun. These are common, sir.
yeah, okay, fine. Okay, let's open your VS Code. Let's open VS Code. Okay, so just store same kind of marks details, but I need a percentage. Okay, so if do you know how to calculate the percentage? So same thing. How you can calculate your percentage on a calculator or on a pen and paper. Okay, what is the formula you will use to calculate the percentage? Okay, just write the program and show it to me. Okay, don't worry because of course we are learning slowly. Once you understand the fundamentals, definitely we can speed up. So who is going to share your screen? Yeah, first of all, tell me how many of you know how to calculate the percentage. Okay,
రాసుల మొత్తంపై రాసుల సంఖ్య.
by Maslow Sankhya.
Sum of observations by number of observations.
Okay, yeah, do it. Who is going to share your screen? Who is ready to share your screen? And I will help you. At least I
It's
will. Yeah, just raise your hand and share your screen. Okay, I'm stopping sharing. It's your choice. Anyone can share your screen and write down the program. No one is ready. Okay, send me a screenshot to my email ID. So right away I will open and I will. So I have seen like really almost 12 to 13 students have done a practice. So every day you should do practice and send me a screen. So of course we'll give a rules and regulations and all the things after 1 week. The first week hopefully you will do a practice without any rules and regulations. Okay, no one is ready to share your screen. Oh my god. No problem. If you do a mistake, nothing. Don't worry about. Just share your screen. That's why. Because if you're not able, if you don't have a guts to share your screen, and how can you rule the world? Hmm? Okay, very good. Someone is sharing the screen. Okay, very good. I will help you. Yeah, I don't add any negative things on your code. I will help you. Okay, very good. Fantastic. Okay, write down. Remaining people don't copy from this person. You should write your own code. Even if you are doing mistake, no problem. Okay. So just list down at least 3 to 4 subjects as well. Okay. Store your 10th class marks details, calculate the total, and then calculate the percentage. Okay. Very good, Shiva Prasad. Okay, but I don't want the things in the chat. Just write down on your code editor, execute it, and send me a screenshot. I need that proof. I will check here. And who are watching this video in the YouTube, you should also do a practice and send me a screenshot to svgie.narin@gmail.com so that I can understand what you are doing. Otherwise, it's very difficult for me to help you. Okay, if you see right now he is doing some mistakes, so I can help him. Okay. Okay. Lalitamma means okay. What is your name? Good name.
Nagendra, sir.
Okay, Nagendra. Okay, go back to Visual Studio Code. Okay, you are doing mistakes. First, what you need to do? Var Telugu is equal to 97. Okay, remove everything. Remove everything. That's right. Okay, 98% of the students are not getting the jobs because they are not interested to practice. Okay. Okay. Now, good. Where Telugu is equal to 97. Write down. Where. Yes, remove that one also. Where marks also. Remove. Write down. Where space Telugu equal to.
Sir,
Yeah, Sujata, tell me.
sir, actually, I'm Shweta. Sir. Can you please discuss about difference between valid and const clearly sir, in today's class?
So Sweta, just understand one thing because most of the people are completely beginners. Okay, if I start discussing on that, they can't understand anything, right? Just wait for.
Yeah, sir. But at the beginning itself, I'm trying.
Yeah, I will help you. Definitely, I will explain. I'm not saying that I will explain about them after 1 month or 2 months. I'm just saying that just wait for 1 or 2 days. Okay. Okay. Otherwise,
Yeah,
yeah,
but
already have
actually,
explained those
like
things in a
we are
another playlist.
directly using var now, sir. So before using var, then if we know the exact use of var, then it would be better. No, I feel so. So I have asked you
Okay, okay,
regarding that.
okay. Wait. I will come to that point. Okay. Uh, so I forgot his name actually. What is your name? Manikanta? Nagendra.
Nagendra.
Nagendra. Again, you are doing the mistake. Just open the code editor again. Okay, don't hurry. Okay. What you are doing? Where Telugu is equal to 97. After that, just give a. Okay. You are declaring everything in a one line. No. Okay. Fine. That is fine. Okay. Even sometimes I forgot some basics. Okay, go ahead. It's not a mistake. Yeah. Then is equal to okay, very good. No. You have given Telugu full TELUGU. Right now you are giving a shortcuts. Just give an exact variable name. Otherwise, how computer can understand? If anyone has sent a screenshot to my email ID, just ping me that I will verify. I need a screenshot. I know I'm not expecting to ping in the chat.
Can I share the screen, sir?
Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let him complete. Just send me a screenshot, Pankaj. To email ID. Okay. Go ahead and just try to calculate the percentage also. Okay, just give a meaningful name. Just give a percentage. PER. That's good, right? Good. Yeah, if you give a full name, that's good. Percentage, very good. Okay.
Is it right, sir?
Correct, correct. And just do console.log and mention that variable name. Okay, I'm watching your screen. You don't need to switch from here and there. Just write down. Okay. ఎక్కడ రాస్తున్నావు మన లైన్ నెంబర్ 5కి వెళ్ళిపోయావు. Good. Now execute on the terminal. What is the percentage? 91. Very good. Very good. Okay, just take that screenshot and send it to me to that email ID svgi.9@gmail.com. Okay. Next, who is
Yes,
ready?
sir. Yesterday also I sent, sir.
Very good. Okay. You can send me again for this code. Okay, already. Okay, let me cross check. Hey, actually, sorry. Percentage means into 100 also, right? That's good. 95%. Very good. Very good.
Okay, sir, I will do.
Good.
Already 91% came, sir.
Okay, but it's better to percentage means always just stick with the actual rules and regulations, right? Even though
Okay,
you got, you should. Percentage means definitely into 100. Very good.
ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ తెలుగు మీడియం సార్. నేను చదివిన ప్రకారం అయితే రాసుల మొత్తంపై రాసుల సంఖ్య అని చదివాను సార్. అది బాగా గుర్తుంది పర్సంటేజ్.
నో ప్రాబ్లం, దట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్. నేను కూడా తెలుగు మీడియమే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. కానీ నేర్చుకో, ఓకే? ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఏమంటారు అనేది కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలి, ఓకే?
ఓకే సార్.
Fantastic. Okay, done everyone? Okay, every day whenever you are watching this video, please click on like button because this information should reach more people. It will be helpful for more. Okay, tell me. Okay, Vijay, I'm saying you should send me a screenshot. Okay, anyway, you have taken 4 subjects. Okay, maybe. Okay, Telugu, Hindi, English, Science, Maths, Social, Considered Log. Directly you have written total into 100 by 100. Okay, that is also fine. Okay, then fine. Then Vijay, very good. Okay, now, so I will give some simple assignment. Okay, if you don't know that concept like if and else, you don't need to worry. You can wait for tomorrow. But the simple assignment for everyone is, suppose simple interest. Okay, you know, right? How to calculate the interest? suppose, just tell me, can anyone tell me? Interest rate. Suppose if you take some loan from a bank, okay, you should able to calculate the interest per month, right? Or per year or something. Just tell me what is the formula for that? What are the things we need and how to
ETR by
calculate that?
100.
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me. Ping me in the chat. What is the formula to calculate the interest, simple interest?
PRT.
Yeah, PTR by 100, right? Very good. Hope I remember properly. That's it. If you know the fundamentals of mathematics and if you're able to give an instruction to your friend, just mix up things and give a proper instruction to the computer. That's the programming. Okay. PTR by 100. Okay, that's assignment for you. So just take a P value and take a T value and take the R value and calculate the interest and send me a screenshot. That is a simple assignment. Okay. Understood, everyone? What is the assignment? So this is just a beginning. That's why I'm not giving too much assignments. Okay, I will understand because how many of you have completed graduation, how much time you have per day. Based on that, I will give a different plans for different students. Based on that, you need to do a practice and send me screenshots. Okay. Okay, this is just a beginning so that we can go little bit step by step. Yeah. Do you have any questions? Any questions? Any questions?
Hello.
The difference between let and constant. Okay, not that. Okay, just tell me. Simple. Whatever we have discussed today in that. No? Yeah. If you don't have any questions, you can drop off and see you tomorrow again. Tomorrow we are going to learn few more important things. Okay? Don't miss any session. And just if suppose if you want to inform to your friends, please inform immediately because after 1 month, if you inform them, they will miss like 1 month sessions. It's difficult for me to explain to them again. It's very difficult for me to clarify their questions so that if any one of your friends are there, if they are interested to learn, just inform them. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's all for today. And it's already 7 o'clock. And see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now tell me,
Bye.
how's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, you
It
should,
it it,
Someone,
you
it
should
was
have.
my.
Tell me, Pankaj.
I think someone want to ask me something.
Yeah, tell me, Ask me quickly.
Someone, sir. Jatindra, I think.
Yeah. So actually, to be honestly speaking, I'm working in the industry from the last 14, 15 years, almost. So yeah. So like I wanted to learn DSA. I have I'm pretty much familiar with the JavaScript and HTML, CSS, Figma, Photoshop. These all I'm very much familiar and I work with with it like professional people. So my question is कि क्या ऐसा ही चलने वाला है course? So like on the basic things we are gonna cover or we'll go ahead and see something.
Yeah, that's a good question.
As you said, Kiran, this course is particularly for the like people who are learning or who are doing graduation. For those, is this course for them or?
Yeah, I will tell you one thing. Suppose if you see in the classroom, few students are there who don't know anything about programming, and few people know the basics, and few people are already maybe good at one programming language. So here, what we need to do first 1 month, it's a foundation. Okay,
Yeah.
1 month. Suppose if I start explaining plotting algorithm now, like everyone will go off, right? It's difficult for them to understand.
Correct.
So first, it will take 1 month to learn the fundamental things like we should able to write a for loop, we should able to write the if else conditions and switch cases, all the fundamentals, and then after 1 month we will enter into the complex like algorithms. So if you already know the fundamentals, if you are already very good at that, so maybe you can join after 1 month because it's
Okay.
it's very difficult, right? You know, right? If I start
Yeah,
explaining,
makes sense. Makes
yeah,
sense. Yeah.
if I start explaining, even someone asked that, Raghu, tell me what is the difference between let and constant. Because if I want to
Hmm.
explain what is the difference between let and constant, every student should know minimum some basics, right? Otherwise, they can't understand. So
Yeah.
we are starting that definitely, because by end of, because 6 months, in 6 months we are going to cover all the things. First 1 month
Hmm.
foundation, then we are entering into the data structures and algorithms.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah, and
Got it.
I'm very happy that already you have a 14 years of experience. That
Hmm.
that is more than my. I have only 9.5. That's fantastic. That still you're eager to learn something. You have a lot of patience. Definitely, we will take help from you as well. Okay, thanks.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
From where? From where you? Okay, in which company you are working?
I'm working in a Janga Media Private Limited. It's a like a DB database company type of thing, and we work for a journalist, and
Mm-hmm.
we give a subscription to to the companies like agencies and enterprise companies. Like somebody's, let's say Audi wants to launch their new model, and they need some journalists who write on a like a safety feature, comfort, these type of things. So we work on a like subscription based model.
Okay, okay, fantastic. Location? Where are you from?
Location Delhi NCR, Faridabad.
Wow, wow. Okay, okay. So I will suggest you one thing, because you don't need to waste the time here. I will suggest you one good YouTube channel for as a beginner to start learning programming, like data structures and algorithms. Okay, just a code evolution. So
Yeah, it will be great for me, and I'll
Do you
appreciate
have
your like
sensitive teeth?
suggestion.
sorry.
I said it will be good for me, and I'll appreciate your like suggestion. As you said, ki you will help me out. It's
Yeah,
like
because you don't need to waste 1 month, and that is very precious. In that 1 month time, you can learn complete things actually. Okay.
sure, sure, sure.
Thank you. Thanks for joining, and thank you everyone. See you tomorrow, and just do some practice. And one more thing, everyone just purchase one new notebook, because every day I will give some short notes for you. Just note down on that notebook. That will be very helpful while you are attending interviews, or if you want to revision. You don't need, because I'm not going to give a notes like essays or something. Short notes like shortcuts. If you remember those things, maybe you can recollect many topics in a shorter time. Okay, just purchase a new notebook and get ready for tomorrow. Okay, apart from that, do you have any questions?
No, sir. That's it.
Okay, if no, you can drop off, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.
Thank
See you
you.
tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Pawan.
Pawan?
पंकज बोलो
Sorry,
Yes.
sorry. If anyone asking any question,
No,
no.
sir.
Can I drop
Sir,
off?
sir, I have क्या बोलूं मैं यार
Just a minute. I will stop the recording.